Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And I tell you what, in the southeast, you're about to just cry uncle at this point with the ongoing showers and thunderstorms. Now, some areas have actually seen several days in a row of rain. Now, in the Midwest, we've been enjoying a beautiful stretch of weather, but now a cold front's pushing in, and that cold front brought some record rainfall across portions of Minnesota into Wisconsin. I mean, some areas in Wisconsin near Madison saw almost a foot of rain in just one evening, devastating with some of that flooding that was going on there. So that slow moving cold front now pushing east just a little bit here into the middle of the country. So now some of those showers and storms will be moving into Michigan, Missouri, and just now starting to push into the Ohio Valley. Meanwhile, as I mentioned, with a nearly stationary front, the situation hasn't changed here in the southeast with more ongoing showers and thunderstorms. I can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm today in Grand Rapids and through much of Michigan with that front approaching. We do expect some scattered showers and storms and locally heavy rain through much of the Chicago area, and then that eventually tomorrow will push toward Detroit and Cleveland. Still sunny and dry, hot and humid for Cincinnati and Louisville. 92 for you in Memphis this afternoon, 92 also in St. Louis, 93 in Nashville, and still dry. So we stay pretty hot and humid in the Midwest until that cold front finally clears. That's probably going to happen on Wednesday. So you'll see the humidity dropping, and then by Thursday you feel a little bit of relief with the temperatures too, but it doesn't last long. We get pretty hot again here as you head toward the weekend. You see the same overall trend in Chicago, a backing off of the humidity and a little bit cooler by a degree or two on Wednesday and Thursday, and then we're back into the upper 80s Friday and into the weekend. Clouds and showers have been keeping temperatures down a little bit here in the southeast. So at first glance, not so bad, but it's still very steamy. And there's, with all that moisture, showers and thunderstorms have been plentiful. Very heavy rain at times. 81 in Wilmington, 83 in Charleston, 86 in Savannah. You're 82 in Atlanta this afternoon. 88 and generally pretty dry. Maybe a thunderstorm in New Orleans. You know the drill. 97 in Dallas. It's been a hot stretch of weather for you as well. And it's just been showery, persistently showery around Tampa down through southern Florida. That's not going to change today either. So here's our temperature trend. Well, once the clouds and showers start to break up, the heat is back. So we're going to see highs up near 90 for the second half of this week throughout much of the southeast. In Fort Lauderdale, passing rain around this morning. Can't rule out some scattered showers and storms this afternoon. A high near 90 degrees. And this evening, humid with temperatures settling back into the 80s. It looks like temperatures are going to peak around or just above 90 through much of the next 7 days. So a pretty hot stretch of weather here in South Florida. That is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to the week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.